You see these brands in cities all over the world, in shopping malls, on your phone, and even in your living room. What many people don't realize is that several of them actually started in Sweden. The furniture giant IKEA began in Sweden in 1943. Founder Ingvar Kamprad introduced flat-pack furniture to reduce shipping costs. Today, millions of homes around the world contain IKEA furniture. Music streaming changed dramatically with the rise of Spotify. The platform was founded in Stockholm by Daniel Ek and Martin Lorentzen. Today, millions of people listen to music through it every day. Fashion retailer H&M is one of the world's largest clothing brands. The company started in Sweden in 1947 before expanding across Europe and beyond. Today, its stores appear in major cities across the world. One of the most successful video games ever created also started in Sweden. The game Minecraft was created by Marcus Persson. Today, it has hundreds of millions of players worldwide. Online shopping also changed with the Swedish fintech company Klarna. Its payment system allows customers to buy products now and pay later. Millions of online stores now offer Klarna as a payment option. The brand Absolut Vodka became famous for its distinctive bottle design. Produced in Sweden, it grew into one of the most recognized vodka brands globally. Its minimalist bottle became an icon of modern branding. From furniture and fashion to gaming and digital payments, Swedish brands appear all over the world. Many of them began as small ideas in Sweden before expanding internationally. Subscribe to discover Sweden the Swedish way.